Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway.
Yes! Ho, ho, ho!
Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. Yes, baddies, this SLAYMAS, we are doing a giveaway because you guys are helping me live my dream and I am finally monetized. So my first ever YouTube check is going straight back to y'all because this is the least I can do to show my appreciation to all of you. I'm gonna be giving 2 baddies 2 gift cards of their choice. Here are the giveaway rules. First, follow my spam account at YourBFFJade on Instagram. You have to like each video that I post during SLAYMAS. There's gonna be a secret emoji at the end of each video. Comment that secret emoji at the end of each SLAYMAS video for additional entry and bonus. In one of my SLAYMAS videos, there is going to be a secret code word. We don't know which video, we don't know when it's gonna be, but there's gonna be a bonus code word. So guess what, baddies? Drummer boy. You will get 3 additional entries. And baddies, you have to be subscribed. But don't forget to DM me your YouTube handle to my Instagram account. Happy